Coming soon here in Hummelstown, Lower Dauphin School District, a former model home built by E.G. Stoltzfus. 4-bed, 2.5-bath, many updates and upgrades, lots of space. It's like new on the inside. There is a full, unfinished walkout basement with 9-foot ceilings. There's a huge deck on the back. There's a patio. So much to love about this single-family home and the beautiful, quiet community that it's in. Drop a comment below or shoot me an email or text, and I can send you a link with all the photos, floor plans, and additional information on this beautiful home here in Hummelstown. It'll be live and available for showing Friday, April 25th. We're hosting an open house on Saturday, April 26th, and it's sure not to last long. So if interested, or if you know someone who may need to move into this beautiful community here, just let us know.